Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Glam Hairers. You must be thinking what is today's video. It is Meesho Oxidized Jewellery haul. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. I'm going to open first package. It is from Samridhi collections. We have two jhumkas in a box. The packaging was decent. And wow, the quality of the jhumka is awesome. It is lightweight, not so heavy on the ears. I got this for rupees 189, but now the price of this jhumka is only for 169 rupees, and these jhumkas are very worth it of that price. Overall quality is so good. We have another jhumka from the same brand, Samridhi Designs. I got this jhumka for rupees 178 and now in the sale it is only for 166 rupees. So please go and grab it quickly because these look so beautiful. The quality of these two jhumkas from this particular brand is so good. So you can check out their brand. When you check the product, just scroll down and check view shop. From there you can check out all of their collection, shop from them. We got the second package in this. These are also jhumkas. Actually, I'm not quite satisfied with the quality of this jhumka because the metal is too blackish. It looks like this jewelry is painted black on purpose. Afghani jewelry should be oxidized on its own, but it should not be painted. It looks so artificial. I do not recommend this. The design looks good, but the metal, I'm not the fan of it. Coming to the next package. Packaging was decent. We have this afghani choker necklace. We have got earrings with it. When I opened this, there was a gap in the middle. I was not satisfied. The quality is amazing. They have not mentioned earrings, but we have got the earrings as well. This necklace is for only 291 rupees, which is very worth it. I'm not satisfied with the gap, but later I have noticed if you push from both the ends, you can fill the gap, and now it is perfect. Coming to the next package, we have got this in this cardboard box. These are Hathi earrings. It is for rupees 132. On sale, it is only for rupees 128. It looks quite decent for the price. Earrings are very lightweight. You can put it all day along. These are perfect for daily wear. When I opened this package, I was not satisfied with this. It was folded, and actually I've ordered this necklace and I got this one, on which I'm very disappointed. But it's okay. This necklace also looks decent. Actually, I've returned it. And the return process was very easy. That was appreciable. Actually, this also looks so good, but this is not my vibe. But it looks very perfect for Navratri. With earrings, it looks so heavy. So first I'm showing without earrings and then how it looks with earrings. The quality is pretty good. The next package is jhumkas. We have got free gift with this. This is such a statement piece, but it is very lightweight. You can check the shop of this jhumkas as well. The quality is good. I'll link all the product details in the description box below. I got this for only rupees 198 and it is 188 on the sale. So these are the earrings that I got for free. Coming to the next package, I got this necklace. This necklace is for rupees 208. This mirror necklace is perfect for this Navratri. For every necklace they have given earrings along with it. Overall the necklace is good for the price. Coming to the next package, the packaging is pretty good, but the quality of the product is so bad. I was very disappointed with this product. The beads of this necklace looks so cheap. This neck piece is for rupees 192 and not worth the price. Actually, the design of this product is also a little bit different from the image shown in the application. Coming to the next package, this is multicolor necklace which is also looks like statement piece. This necklace is so perfect for Navratri and Dandiya nights. Wear this on your lehenga choli and it's gonna look so good. As you can see, this is multicolor, so it's going so perfect with my plain white kurta. You can pair it with your plain dresses and it's gonna look fab. The price of this necklace is 271 rupees. The most awaited package was here. When I opened the package, I found this newspaper. I was really confused. The packaging is pretty good and tada! I really loved this neck piece. The quality of the metal is also perfect. The price of this product is rupees 672, which is very worth it because it looks so damn good. It is such a statement piece. I really did not expect this quality from Meesho. But there was a small missing hanging. But it is okay because the necklace is so pretty. Coming to the next necklace from the same shop. The quality of this long chain is also good. You can totally go for these two pieces and also check out their shop for more collection because these two pieces are highlight of this video. Bye bye guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.